there are things healthcare directives do and don't do. Healthcare directives are going to make sure that somebody you name has the authority to make healthcare decisions for you if there's ever a circumstance or a situation where you're not able to make those decisions for yourself. You can also state things in advance on your healthcare directive so that everybody knows what your preferences are prior to ever being in a position where they have to make decisions for you. State preferences and objections, and so you can actually list that stuff out ahead of time. You can state where you want to receive care, who your doctor should be, what hospital or rehab facility you want to go to, what treatments are you not okay with having imposed upon your body, donor, where you want your body disposed of at and how, who can get access to your medical records. Healthcare directives are purely about your health and your personhood and where you live and how your body and yourself is being cared for and treated. They don't have anything to do with your financial life and the financial aspects of the things that you need. And so there have been circumstances and situations and scenarios where, yes, somebody has authority to decide how you're going to be cared for and where you're going to be cared for, but because of a lack of clarity in the documents and the documentation, they don't have authority to call and deal with your insurance and make sure that things are covered appropriately. They're not able to sign contracts for care because those contracts for care state things about financial obligations and guarantees, and that person doesn't have the appropriate authority. And so it's very, very important that you know that there are some fine lines that are here when we're talking about healthcare versus financial care and taking care of your finances. And it's really important to have both things covered and to know the difference about what your documents do and don't do for you when you need them to work. If this content was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe.